guys, welcome to today's DIY video. So today we are going to make a really simple birthday banner. For this, first we need a circle of diameter 9 cm in pink color and 12 cm for the grey one. And for the borders we are following the cloud pattern here. And so in total we need 13 such pink and grey cards. And now I'm using black pen marker to write the alphabet, and here I'm using black sketch pen, and now I'm using black pen marker for the last time to outline the alphabet. After this I'm going to show you guys all the fonts, so if you want to write same as mine you can take these as reference, otherwise you can choose many more from the internet. So now we are required to punch the grey card, and here I'm using 2 layers of double-sided tape to paste the pink card over the grey one. And here all of our cards are done. And now I'm using pink ribbon to join all the cards together. Here you can even use a thread for this purpose. And if you guys have any query or review regarding the video, please comment it down. And we are just almost done. So here we have our birthday banner. So yes, this is ready now to decorate your birthday party. Thank you so much guys for watching the video.